Zero-crossing technology drives long-lasting photocell solutions. In simple terms, zero-cross technology involves detecting when an AC current passes through zero volts. This precise timing enables light controllers to accurately determine light levels, effectively distinguishing between natural and artificial light sources. Traditional light controllers are prone to interference from ambient light, leading to unstable performance. However, those incorporating zero-cross technology have overcome these challenges, enhancing both accuracy and reliability, maintaining stable performance even in complex environments. Let's look at some notable advantages of this zero-cross technology. Increased accuracy, reducing false triggering, extended device lifespan, heightened sensitivity to changes in light, improved energy efficiency. Zero-cross light controllers have a wide range of applications, including street lighting, parking lot illumination, and building automation. They help save energy and costs by activating lighting equipment only when necessary. With ongoing research and development, we may see new types of light controllers based on nanomaterials like quantum dots and perovskites, which could further enhance sensitivity and efficiency. LongJoin, make lighting smarter and life better. Welcome to communicate and cooperate with us.